Cadets are actually currently learning ACT and defensive tactics. So ACT stands for arrest control tactics, which is them actually placing someone under arrest, learning how to handcuff people, take control of people, but more importantly, actually learning how to talk to people and use the minimal amount of force possible to get somebody into custody.
Do you have anything on you that I need to be worried about? Nope. All right.
Corporal Cody Barrett with the Douglas County Sheriff's Office. I'm currently assigned to the Detentions Division, and I'm part of the Special Operations Response Team. These skills are actually used every single day. So out of all the skills that we use, ACT is probably one of the ones we use most often in the Sheriff's Office, whether you're assigned to the Detentions Division, patrol, invest, anything like that. Because ACT actually really starts when you're talking to people. You actually have a professional presence. That's actually the first thing on the use of force continuum.
Do you mind just go ahead and turn away from the sound of my voice?
So professional presence is key. It actually starts with a stern approach. If I don't sound like I am educated myself, people that I speak to aren't going to feel that same way. Whereas if I look the part, staying stern, and I'm delivering my vocabulary that same way, people feel more calm with you. If you are dealing with a criminal, they question whether or not that you're somebody that they want to get into an altercation with.
All right,
I'm Mackenzie Eichenlaub with the Douglas County Sheriff's Office. We're doing some tactics that involve some Krav Maga skills, some jiu-jitsu skills, some striking skills here and there, just to develop a foundation of how to protect ourselves and really protect the public when we're out there having to deal with people that aren't necessarily completely compliant with us. We've gone over prone arrest, we've gone over kneeling arrest, we've gone over standing arrests, and it's just different techniques to implement based on your situation, based on the person that you're dealing with. Also a couple different takedowns, the body fold takedown, which is kind of the main one we've been working with a lot, where you just kind of grab the hips and kind of just push them over. And then that allows you to gain the next position of a side control position, and then you can do a lot of different work from there. These techniques we're just using to gain compliance at the lowest level of force possible, and like I said, keep people safe.
Stephen Phillips, Douglas County Sheriff's Office. It's really important in my mind just because you can reduce the amount of force that you end up using just by being really good at those things. You can move people into positions before they even know it. You can really damper down what force you'd have to use. It's really cool to be the arrestee, just because you can feel kind of what that force feels like. You know what you need to put into it, as well as the person arresting. You can kind of, gain that confidence in yourself that you can actually use those techniques in real life. 95% of fights end up on the ground. So if you can be really good on the ground, when most fights go that way, you can come out on top most times.
Your skills and ability need to be at a very high level that you can protect others and yourself.
We got something.
Okay.
Oh,
These aren't
that?
my pants.
Wow.
These are not my pants.
These are not your pants.
No.
They're not your pants.
I don't know who put that there.
It's gonna leave your foot. Oh, you got a crack on it.
Those aren't my
You're a
shoes.
bad boy.
Those aren't my shoes.
Those aren't shoes.
They're not my shoes. I don't know who could have put that there.